You got anything interesting you wanna mention?
I don't know. I got like several uni anecdotes that I could go off on.
Yeah, let's go with that and see if we can at least bring it out to an hour 30.
Yeah. Okay. So, what's a good one? I like the C++ group story. So during our degree, we had a course about C++, which was very difficult. Pretty
That's
much
a
everyone,
way to put it.
pretty much everyone struggled with that course. So naturally, you have all the people that aren't actually like 100% there, if that's a good way to put it. That really just I never understood the mentality of these people that go to uni but actually don't put the effort in because you're paying for this whole thing. Like, do you think it's just like high school? Like, I don't understand that mentality. But
Oh,
so
but if you never
you
work a job, you just never pay it back.
true. So you have all those people in this class, and like, so for someone like me that was like, not obviously not cream of the crop, but like I put the work in, and I got like fairly good grades out of it. I struggled with this, so you can only imagine how these people just coasting along just got fucking punched in the face with it.
Mm.
And so you get put into these groups with these people because it was randomly assigned groups, not choose your own group. So you obviously get these awful people that have no idea what they're doing. And so by this time, you should know how to use stuff like Git repositories.
You'd think
But these
that.
kinds of people have no idea how to even make a Git account. I literally had to sit with one of my group members to sit him through. This is how you sign up for this.
Were you guys
Oh,
using
okay.
GitLab or GitHub for that one?
Trying to remember.
I
I
think
think it was
I think Matt
probably.
suggested GitLab because he didn't understand how private repos worked.
Yeah, I have a feeling it might have been that. So anyway, I'm trying to teach this person how to push their changes, which are, are basically dirt anyway. Literally just nothing work. Um, but I'll go back to the start of this assignment. So this was a group assignment, obviously, that I said that we got put in groups and stuff, and it was massive. Um, and for a group of people that have no idea what they're doing, it's just red flags everywhere. So I had Josh, which we talked about earlier, and he's usually really good, but he was going through a lot of personal stuff, so he was kind of out of commission at the time of this assignment. So the main amount of effort fell onto me,
Hmm.
unfortunately. And so I had this one group member, which was like, he was pretty chill and like he did his stuff. I had to help him out a bit, but like I can deal with that kind of group member. But then we had two people that just had no idea what they're doing. There was a language barrier, which doesn't help at all. So
No.
you're trying to explain something and they just don't get it. Like obviously it's hard to learn another language and I completely understand the problem of that, but it just compounds
Unless your
onto
name is
the
Kenley. How many languages does that kid know?
like 6 or 7.
Anyway, go on.
So I'm just like, hey, I've planned out what everyone has to do. You have to do this. It's really not that hard to get done. And at this point, this is near the end of this semester, so we had spent like a whole semester's worth of time learning how C++ works, how like headers and the main files work and how they interact with each other. I'm like, hey, all you need to do is set out this header file. You need to write a couple lines of code in the main file and just push it to the Git repo. And so I hear back from this man, and he's like, "Okay, I've done what you said." And I go in and look at it, and I don't know what this person has done, but it is just, it is not readable. It is not, I don't even think it ran properly. Like, you'd
Oh.
press run on it and it would just crash. It just.
So he didn't even try to compile it; it just crashed straight away.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure from memory. Like, okay, so I'm like, hey, this is wrong. I'll try and help you along the process. This is like how you meant to structure stuff. And he's like, just not getting it. I'm like, okay, I've basically done everything for you. Can you just push it to the repository? He's like, I don't know how to.
What
I'm
is
like,
git push?
okay. Literally, this is the kind of.
Actually, no, he was probably using the graphical interface as well.
No.
Okay, he was using the command line. Okay.
He didn't have anything installed. He didn't have because this was on a Windows machine. He didn't have Git Bash. So I was like, okay, you need to download Git Bash.
Lord.
You need to. This is what you need to do. You literally just need to like sign in, put the repo link in, and then you can like push to it. And he's like, I don't understand. I'm like, I could understand if this was a normal person, but you've been doing an IT degree and like you've been exposed to Git for so long at this point. And like the lecturer even made a point, like, here's how you do it. You don't even need the complex commands that you've learned before. You literally just need to know how to like push to the fucking repo and pull from it. Like, that's 2 commands that you need to learn. So anyway, I'm like, here you go. This is how you push. And so he figured it out eventually. I'm like, okay, so there's still a little bit of work here that you need to do. You need to finish this. I need to go do some other work. So if you can just get this done by tonight or tomorrow, that's fine. Just like push it when you're done. And so I think it was the next day. I was sitting in our club room. I'm like working on this stupid thing, and I get a Discord message from this man, and he's like, oh, I've done it. I've pushed the stuff. And so I'm like, okay, thank you for doing this finally. I pull it, and it's still just fucking garbage. It is literally just jumbled words that don't work. I'm like, okay. Just remain calm. I'm like, hey, this is still not correct. Can you please just like fix it? Go get help. Go talk to the lecturer if you need to. Just do anything.
Please get help.
And I just get hit with this message. It's literally, this is how it was phrased. Sorry, I'm going to go. I sleep now. Bye.
What?
And I
You
think
never heard from him ever again?
That was the last I heard from this guy.
Oh,
Because
Lord.
at that point, it was in the final days of that assignment being due. And I'd done everything that I had said I had to do, and like I had done enough of my stuff to actually get a passing grade and everything. And then the responsibility kind of just fell on all the other people to do their stuff. So even if they fucked it up, that's like, I was protected from that.